All right, it's chip of the day. Well, sort of a chip of the day. It kind of looks like a chip. And it's surface mount, so it's surface mounts just like a chip. And you put it on the PC board just like a chip. But it is a sound device. It is a speaker or piezo, I'm not quite sure yet, but it makes sounds. And so I removed it from a product. Like I said, it's surface mount. The layout is really strange. There's two little contacts over here that you need to wire up to, and it does have a hole in one side so that sound can come out. And then the other sides are just sealed up. But what we'll do is we'll turn it on, make some sounds, and then we'll open it up, see what's inside. All right, I have it in a little vise here, and I've soldered 2 wires onto it, as you see. And we can hook up a function generator. Hopefully you can hear that. And if I change the amplitude, it's 3.5 volts peak to peak right now. And it goes quieter. Here's 5 volts peak to peak. We'll leave it at 5 volts peak to peak so you can hear it. And if I go to frequency, it stays pretty even until you reach some resonances. Right there. It's getting really loud right there. Right at let me kill this. Right at about 2.5 kilohertz. So at 2.5 kilohertz, this thing is resonant and it's super, super loud. So if you do use one of these in a project, you might want to sweep frequencies and see which one is better for your device. All the devices will be different. This one seems to be resonant at 2.5 kilohertz. If you just want a loud beep, it might be a good way to do it. All right, now that we've sort of seen it, let's see if we can pop it open and see how it looks inside. I mean, you know, here's a speaker, has a moving diaphragm of some type. Got to get the air moving. So let's see if this is just a tiny, tiny little speaker or there's something else funny going on. All right, I've taken the lid off, and there is a little diaphragm in there. There's a little metal diaphragm, and it has a funny shape to it. Let me see if I can't get an X-Acto blade in there and open it up a little bit more. All right, and so I'm gonna remove the little, oops, it's so tiny, and doing it on camera, it's so tiny. There we go. Oh man, it's magnetic. Of course, it's magnetic, so it doesn't want to stay open. There we go. There you see it. It's just a little speaker, tiny, tiny little speaker. A little coil down there, zip, zip, zip. And then there's this little guy here who's magnetic, and he just goes on top, and you got yourself a speaker. So anyway, I thought maybe it would be a piezo, but it's not. It's just a little speaker, coil, moving magnet voice coil. So yeah, pretty cool. All right, well, that was Strange Object of the Day. Yeah, there you go, for your enjoyment.